Welcome to this week's video where Courtney has done about 20 hair flips.
Outing me.
I'm so outing you, but that's why she looks so good. So I have looped in my girls today, Courtney and Michelle. Actually, Michelle is Courtney's good friend, but she's now my good friend after this video.
Yes.
I adore you, and I can't thank you enough for participating, both of you. And by the way, she's my director of marketing and social media, so she's stuck with me. So anyway, we wanted to do a fashion video featuring spring, summer clothes, and we've got a lot of different retailers.
Yeah, lots. We have Amazon,
Target,
Revolve,
and Lily Silk. Yeah. And I have featured Lily Silk before, and I personally love them. I like silk. They're investment pieces. They're elevated. I still feel that they are, for what they are, affordable. So they're really just stunning pieces. And I just want to thank Lily Silk because they're offering you a discount, and the code is right there if you're interested and you see something that you like, right? Yeah. So are you ready for the show? We've got lounge, day, and night.
Yes.
Right?
Yep.
And a couple of different retailers mixing and matching. And we hope you like what we pulled. We're going to have everything in the description below. So if you see anything you're interested in, you'll be able to have a link. We're also going to put our sizes so that if you can connect with what we're wearing and you think that you're maybe Michelle's body type, Courtney's, or mine, then you'll know what size that we chose to help you with your shopping, right? Because we want to make it easy. So as they say, on with the show.
Let's go.
All right.
Okay, first we're starting off with pajamas and loungewear. This is a silk pajama set by Lily Silk, and did you notice how structured it is? That to me is a rarity, and it's why I liked it so much. It feels like it's tailored to me. So it has this sort of elevated level of elegance. You know, this is something that you would, wear around the house in the morning. It's, obviously a pajama. It's not necessarily lounge, but for a pajama set, I just find it to be really beautiful. It's, again, silk pajamas, if you just own one, you've done great. That's all you need. And I like the fact, they're typically in white or off-white, but I really love this soft blue color. It adds a whole new dimension. A super comfortable elastic waistband, easy to pull on and off, easy to button. Just a beautiful elevated set, and I'm really happy with it.
Okay, Michelle, what do you think about Dominique's outfit?
I love it. It's just so beautiful the way it fits on her body and the way it makes her skin look. It looks just so amazing. It's breathable, it's flowy, very elegant pajama set.
Yeah, I totally agree. I think that color is just beautiful on her skin. It feels amazing. I know you guys can't touch it, but the quality of the material is so soft. I give this a 10 out of 10.
I agree.
We're going.
Okay, green goddess.
Okay, I got this outfit at Target. It didn't come in a set, so you had to buy them separately. But the material is so nice. I like the fact that it's shorts and a long sleeve. So I think you can pair the long sleeve with different sweatpants, the shorts if it's a little hotter, with more of a tank top if that's, depending upon the weather. It's really soft. It's really breathable. I feel like I can move around in a lot. Love a good thumb hole. I think it's great. The price was great. Everything was so good.
How great is it, Courtney?
So great. Okay.
So clearly Courtney's outfit is great. Yes. Great green. The color I think is spectacular.
Wonderful. It looks wonderful on her skin. It's the way it looks on her is just amazing. I love the fact that it's from Target. Yep. So it's very easy accessible for the customer, and just the price point is wonderful.
Yes, and also the way she paired it with tennis shoes. I mean, yes, you could wear this around the house, but I would go out to Target and run my errands in this outfit and represent. So color amazing for the spring, the short set, everything. She's confident, she's comfortable, and okay, here we go.
It is
a
10 out of 10. My outfit is just amazing. I love the color. I love the way it looks on my skin. It's breathable. It's easy to wear, washable, just great quality outfit. You could wear it at home. You could wear it outside. You could wear it for errands. It's just a really good piece. Amazon is the best. It came quickly, and I was just able to just throw it on, and it just made me feel so good.
All right. What do you think about Michelle's outfit?
Well, first of all, the color on her is spectacular. That turquoise is amazing. But the versatility of it, because the top has these really cool side slits. So you've got these great panels that show that it's got a short to go underneath it. So they could actually be worn separately, which I think is cool too. But I love the ease of this and the comfort, and I think it's pretty, and it just suits her perfectly.
Yes, I think you've said it all, but yes, I agree. The color is so great.
Sorry.
The color is great. I love that it's from Amazon. I love that she said it came quickly. I'm sure this comes in a million different colors. It's
sizes,
flowy. It
yes.
hits in the right areas. I'm obsessed. I would also say
A 10 out of 10. All right, so I had to throw this in the lounge mix, considering I started off in more PJ mode. I wanted to join the girls and wear something a little loungier. Got this one at Amazon. It's from The Drop. It's probably one of my favorite retailers on Amazon. I just find that the quality of the products and just the look overall seems way more elevated than what you're paying. So this was a super cozy set. I actually purchased it in January, February of this year. You can probably tell it's got a heavier weight to it. It's like a winter sweater. But what's great is that you can wear these as separates and you can wear them out of the house. So incredible versatility. I wore this top with a pair of jeans. You never would have known that it was meant for just lounging around the house. So super happy with it. Love the off-white. I think it's a classic and great purchase, incredibly affordable.
Well, the color cream is just on trend this season, and I just love the way it looks so comfy cozy. I love the way she styled it with it tucked in a little bit with the cute little slippers. I just love it. What about you, Courtney? What do you think?
Yeah, I totally agree. We were just talking, and I think it looks like so much more expensive than what it is.
Yes.
Like, I never would have guessed that she got this on Amazon. I would have guessed that she spent hundreds of dollars.
Really? Amazon?
And yeah, from Amazon.
Just
I
love it.
I'm obsessed. Looks cozy, looks expensive,
Yes.
looks classy.
Fabulous. She looks
Fabulous.
fantastic.
I agree. 10
Perfect.
out of 10.
10 out of 10.
So now we're moving into our daytime looks. To paraphrase the younger generation, I am obsessed with the dress. I love a classic scarf pattern, first of all. So that's a winner. The color, phenomenal. The halter neckline has always been my favorite. And then to have this fabulous asymmetrical bias on the hemline that matches the points of a scarf, I really think that they pulled it all together on this one and made a fabulous dress. I mean, to me, this is summer. It is vacation. If I'm going somewhere, you know this dress is coming. That's all I have to say. Lily Silk, you did a great job with this one.
This dress, I just am amazed. It's perfect. It's beautiful. The color is fantastic. Perfect vacation dress. I don't know about you, Courtney, but it's definitely going with me when I'm going somewhere.
I completely agree. I'm obsessed with the color, obsessed with the pattern. It fits her amazingly. I definitely want to go on vacation in this. 10 out of 10.
10
Love
out of
it
10. Love it.
so much.
You're on.
Hey guys, love this outfit. I think this white top is so cute, so flowy, so breathable, super versatile. You can pair this with a million trillion different things. The pants, we all agree we love, love, love the pants. Super flowy. My only thing would be that they're a little bit long on me. I'm about 5'4", so I'll definitely have them hemmed a little bit. But other than that, the waistline is elastic, so not only are they cute, they're super, super comfy. And Lily Silk top and Lily Silk pants. Love it. Love to you, Lily Silk. Great job.
Okay, when Courtney stepped out of the changing room,
We were like amazed.
pants.
The eyes, the pants, the pants, the pants.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
I need the pants too, and they're so similar to my dress pattern, but I just love it. I love the way she paired it. I love the shirt as a jacket.
Yes, and I love the color of the pants. It's such a ripe blue with the sprinkle of the pattern of the orange and the white. It's just a perfect wide leg pant. Just perfect.
And everything can be worn as separates with different pieces in different ways. So I think you could get probably 8 different looks out of all these
Very
pieces.
versatile, very versatile. I mean, it's just a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Gosh, anything gonna get
job,
less?
Lily Silk.
Lily Silk, you did it.
This dress came from Target, guys, and it's amazing. It comes in multiple different colors. You can wear it off the shoulder, you can wear it on the shoulder, just so breathable and free. This is definitely a brunch vibe dress or a vacation dress, but it has pockets, guys. It has pockets. A dress with pockets is amazing. You have to buy it. Perfectly great size, price point. Just a perfect little dress for you to throw on any day of the week. I love this color on me. The color is perfect. Makes my skin tone look brighter, and I just love it. So guys, run out and get this. Run, don't walk. Get this dress.
Right, I agree with Michelle. Run, don't walk.
Run, don't walk. First of all, the color on her is exquisite. She knows how to pick her colors, hands down. But then also the cool pattern and the flowers. I mean, this is, I think all of us, we all pick stuff that would be so vacation ready. This is perfect. I bet it packs well. It's breathable. You could even put this on over a bathing suit and be poolside. What versatility. So I'm crazy about it.
Couldn't have said it better myself.
I'm sorry.
I agree with all of it. I want this dress for myself. I think it comes in blue, which maybe I will try. But 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Love it.
Okay, so for this daytime look, completely switching retailers, we've moved over to Revolve. One of my absolute favorite designers ever is Norma Kamali. Norma Kamali always uses this stretch knit jersey, and it's light, it's breathable, it's giveable. I think sizes can vary so much. It can fit so many people because of the stretch component, and it's always elegant and modern. These pants, these super high, uber high-waisted, ultra-wide flare pant, they rock. They can go with so many different things. I just picked a really comfortable wedge platform to go with it. And how do you not love the kind of off-the-shoulder top with all the gathering? It's got a built-in bra in it, so I didn't even need extra support because it really holds the girls in, I'm just saying. And then it cuts up high on the side to feature how high the pants are. So this is like winner chicken dinner for me in so many categories.
Well, this outfit was bomb. I mean, I love the way the pants looked on her body, the way they flowed, the color based with the blue top, just fantastic.
I completely agree. I love good rouging. I think the one shoulder does everything. I think she looks like the cutest little Barbie doll.
$1 million bucks,
Seriously.
just perfect. I mean, and the built-in bra, I mean,
Does it get better? Does life get better?
I mean, if you can go somewhere without a bra and it just still looks good,
Life is
you
good.
were killing it. You were killing it.
All right, 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Okay, are we going? Oh, great. Okay, sorry.
Let me just say she's had nothing to drink.
I'm just in a silly, goofy mood. Okay, same top as before. The top is from Lily Silk. Like I said before, it's super versatile, so I feel like we went from a fun, flowy, vacation type vibe outfit to a more casual. You could run errands, you can go out to lunch, you can even maybe go out to dinner in this outfit. Paired it with a white bodysuit and some chunky platform sandals, also with some Target black shorts. So overall, I would say this look is a 10 out of 10. Love the top, very versatile.
Okay, so nighttime look. You knew I was going to channel all black. I can't help myself, especially being a blonde. I like black. I like the contrast. This is a full-on Lily Silk outfit. I love it. I've always loved a cargo pant. These are super comfortable, pull on with the tie waist. They've got the little pockets. They've got the nice gathering at the ankle. And I felt that way it was great to do a strappy heel. The top, oh my gosh, again, the whole halter top thing. And what's so cool is that they give you a lot of fabric for the bow. I think it's really romantic how long the tie kind of drapes down the back. Super comfortable, super soft. You could do a sticky bra with this. You could do nipple covers. You could even do a full-on strapless bra. So there's a lot of versatility with this top, depending on what kind of undergarment you need to wear. I love this. This is a winner. And to me, this is summer black and lightweight.
Well, what can I say? I mean, 10 out of 10 to start off with. I love the black look on her, the way it looks on her skin. I love the cargo pant, and it has pockets. It's just a nice, breathable, nighttime, fantastic look.
Yeah, I completely agree. I think black can definitely be worn in the summer, along with other colors, but the versatility of black and this outfit can be taken from summer even to winter with a jacket on. I'm getting cute Spy Girl vibes. I love the all black. I think it's sleek. I think it's versatile. You can do a whole lot with the top and the bottom.
Very chic. I agree.
Yeah, Lily Silk's just killing it.
Definitely. Run, don't walk.
Okay, this outfit I love. Top and dress is from Amazon. It's actually a full dress that I decided to pair it with a fun knitted sweater, which I think is great for cooler nights because it's kind of has a bunch of holes in it, so it's not anything heavy or something that's going to make you hot. But what I think is really cool is that I put this sweater on backwards because the way that it's scrunched up, as you saw on the back, for me, I wanted that to be in the back because I'm a little bit more self-conscious about my tummy area. So I made the front a little bit more flowy, covers the areas that I'm insecure about, and well, kind of highlighting the back, and I think it made for a great look. So definitely love this outfit. Came from Amazon, affordable, breathable, love it.
I don't know about you, Dominique, but I love the color pair that she paired with this. I love the cream beige top with the tank dress. I think it's a cute outfit to go from day to night, any day of the week.
Yeah, Michelle, this is the Courtney for sure. These are her colors. She looks great in them. And I loved her idea of switching the sweater and accentuating an area that she feels most proud about.
Absolutely.
And comfortable showing. And this was really versatile. This eyelet sweater is gorgeous. You cannot go wrong with a simple, basic black dress.
Never in a million years.
Right? And then with the nude shoes, and it's a total win. I think her skin color looks great, and she's beautiful, but this just elevates it. So 10
out of 10. Okay, so this top, this bottom, I mean, I am in love, This top comes from Target. It could be worn off the shoulder. It could be worn on the shoulder. It's like an eyelet top with a peplum bottom. The skirt is from Amazon. The drop comes in multiple colors. It's very flowy, very breathable. I mean, I felt like $1,000,000 putting it on. I am able to move around, and I just feel so chic and so fabulous in it.
Michelle, killing it as always. I think this whole outfit, honestly, I want it. The top and the skirt, both so flattering. I love a good outfit that's cute and comfortable. You feel like you can move around in. I think everything about it is amazing. Love that her nails match the skirt. Added bonus. 10 out of 10 on my side. What do you think?
Yeah, I have to agree. And I think also what I'm noticing about Michelle is she knows what style suits her. Have you noticed the similarities between the necklines, the style tops? They've been very similar. So it's very wise. Figure out what works for you. It's kind of like I keep channeling the same type top. So is she for a reason. And I love that she has that self-awareness. Of course, the hot pink, she brings in the rockin' color, beautiful against her skin. This is a total win and a total 10 yet again.
You're right.
Okay, you knew I had to throw A, a red into the mix, and B, another Norma Kamali that I got on Revolve. I cannot tell you, it is the most comfortable evening dress ever. You literally slide it on, no zippers, nothing. Here's the amazing part, the way she constructs it, the fabric is thicker up at the top to give you some coverage. Also, it's tighter at the top to help cinch you in, and then gets a little bit looser the farther down you go. So it's incredibly comfortable if you're going to have a meal out. You don't have to worry about, cinching and binding and getting miserable because you've got buttons and hooks and things fastening you. I cannot say enough about the stretch jersey. Love red, love Norma Kamali. Thank you very much.
All right, Lady in Red.
Just Lady in Red.
Is that a song?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't even know. Okay.
It's generational.
Sorry.
No, this outfit is perfect. I just love the color, the way it looks on her. Just chic and sleek and effortless.
Yeah, I completely agree. I would give this a 10 out of 10.
Agreed. 10.
10.
10.
All day.
All day, every day.
So ladies, can I first of all say thank you.
You're welcome. It was so much fun.
Thank you.
So
Oh my
much fun.
gosh, so great. You know they're coming back for the fashion show. We've already decided. We're planning the next one. It was
Perfect.
so much fun. But you guys brought so much game in your selections and the versatility. And I think people are just sick and tired of seeing me do fashion shows. Honestly.
Never.
Not true. Not true.
I
at
don't
all.
know. I'm sick of seeing
Don't
me.
believe her.
Okay. But I love them. And I think you guys did too. And I'm so appreciative. And I love that we featured so many different designers
Yeah,
and
it's fun.
places.
And honestly,
It was fun.
thank you
Yes.
for being so open to featuring different body types
Yes.
and
Yes.
different looks on different people. And I think
Mhm.
that's so important.
Very
and
important.
hopefully you found yourself in one of us.
But big thank you to y'all and Lily Silk. And can't wait to do this again.
Thank
Yes,
you.
thanks,
Yes.
guys.
Bye.
Let me